Ashley Jordan. I have done my project on Diva Pager's research. Her research shows how having a criminal record can affect your chances of getting a job. So Diva uses 23-year-old males, half white, half African American. All are given the same fake credentials when applying for the jobs. And the jobs they are applying for are entry-level positions. They take place, the research, takes place in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. She conducts her experiment between June and December of 2001. And females all go in, and half are instructed to indicate on their application that they have a criminal record, and the other half state that they do not have a criminal record. And the African American males and the white males equally state that they have a criminal record or do not have a criminal record. Okay, so theory. The theory used in this research is stigma. This is discussed in chapter 6. We, as a class, have not gone that far into the book, so a lot of us might not be familiar with what the stigma theory is. It's a negative social label that not only changes others' behavior toward a person, but also alters that person's own self-concept and social identity. So Diva's experiment reveals how stigmas have a real consequence, and they shape the opportunities for men with criminal records, especially Black men, whether they have a criminal record or not. Employers, because of stereotypes, prefer to hire a white candidate to a Black candidate, so that statement there is kind of an example of a stigma that's used in Diva Pager's research. So the research method I thought was quantitative. So I have a graph here showing that method. The quantitative method is a method that seeks to obtain information about the social world that is already in or can be converted to numeric form. So a picture here is a graph. I'm actually not going to discuss the graph right now, but I will in just a minute. And then I kind of created this here. It's just stating that the inductive approach is used in this experiment. So empirical observations and then theories. So it just shows that study is made and then the theory is shown through the study. Okay, and then the results. So Diva Pager's results show having a criminal record makes it more difficult to obtain a job. I'm sure that we're not all shocked to know that. But what it shows is that race plays actually a greater role. So I'll discuss those numbers here in just a minute. But a white man with a criminal record was more likely to receive a callback over an African American man without a criminal record. So that statement there shows that race is a disadvantage when applying for a job, which is not how society should be, but I guess, it is what it is. It's not good. So references. I used the two references that were provided by the instructor. One was online and it was an article from Diva Pager, and then the other was a video discussing her research. And then also I used the textbook that we were given or that we were required to purchase from class. And then I also used another online source. So when doing my research, it was really easy to find information. It was a lot of the same information pulled from the one article that Diva Pager wrote herself, obviously. So yeah, I used the 3 online resources and then the book, so those are all listed here. And now I kind of jumped ahead and went a little too fast, and I didn't give the numbers of this graph. So I'm going to go over that here. So this graph shows, let's see,